My son made this for my green onions. When cutting the green onions, just leave around 2 inches above the roots and put it in the container with a small amount of water. And these are the everyday progress of growing or regrowing of my green onions. And cut them into small pieces or chop them into small pieces and put it in a clean container and leave it in the freezer until I need them. It's time to harvest now. Tapon na natin to. Palit natin to dito. Let's change the water. Wash the green onions first before chopping it or to cut it. Harvest ko. Actually, this is the second time to harvest my green onions. I'm going to put this inside the freezer. So, pwede nyo gamitin kahit na anong container or cups. Itong dalawa i-harvest na rin yan. Okay, bye-bye mga friends, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comment please. Bye-bye mga friends, and enjoy your day. Bye.